Do you have an important PDF files on your phone like bank statements, work documents, or personal notes and want to keep them safe? In this video, I'll show you an easy way to password protect any PDF file directly on your phone. So go to the Play Store or App Store and download the Systweak PDF Editor and Scanner app. It's a completely free app. Once it's installed, open the app. Here tap on Security option. Now tap on Open Document and select the PDF file that you want to log. The app will then show you two types of password options. Password to open the file. This keeps your PDF completely logged. Anyone trying to open it will need the password. Second is owner password. This is useful if you want to stop others from printing, copying, or editing the PDF. Pick the option that works best for you. After that, enter a password and then tap on Done. You can choose to replace the old file or save a new copy with the password protection. Now close the PDF and open it again. You will see that it asks for a password before opening. That means your file is now safe and secure even if someone else gets access to it. And that's not all, just download this app and explore all other useful features like edit PDFs, scan documents, add your signature and apply watermarks. So that was it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such helpful tech videos.